Having a good product is very important. But that is only the basic, right? Satisfying the customer is important. But this place is the character building places for the future and better Indonesia. Thank you, Javier, to offer Kidzania in Jakarta.
Are you agree, Mika? Are you agree what he
Yes.
said?
Yes, I.
How do
Yes,
you
I
feel
do.
when you work here?
You been work as a Congress kid?
And do you care about the people as well?
Well, actually, Kidzania Congress is differentiated into many. They're leading many kinds of. For example, me and my friend, he's not here actually, but his name is Sammy. Me and him is a group that would lead Kidzania in order to give the laws to Kidzania laws. You know laws, right? Okay.
They choose books also for the victim of Gunung Merapi. Is that what you?
Yeah, that's right. We also have some programs that we usually contribute to outside, not only Kidzania, but also outside of Kidzania. For example, about last month or about 3 months ago, we've gone to a bookstore called Gramedia. We've buy lots of books that we would donate to the victim of Merapi eruption. Okay, perhaps that's.
Yes, they also learn how about leadership. Maybe you
Yeah.
can share.
Usually we have something like Congress. We usually have Congress perhaps each 4 months. We come here in a circle table and we discuss anything that would go with leadership or education and everything and stuff like that.
Very impressed with that, and because really every country should have the kids giving their ideas to even the grown-ups. Just like the grown-ups always give their ideas to the kids, we hope in every family the kids and the grown-ups are teaching each other about each other. And this Congress is a wonderful idea because you're being prepared to help run the country, which is very challenging, but you're picking up the skills in doing that. So we're very impressed.
Okay, thank you.
I have to show you, when we mentioned the word 3.0, you can tell other kids what it is, and then we use this kind of thing. It's our greeting. You see the circle? That's for the O. And you see 3 fingers? 3.0.
Oh, that would show that the 3 and the O. So it would be 3.0.
Exactly.
Okay.
We have a question. We have a question from the media for Mr. Javier Lopez as a founder of Kidzania. When you introduced the Kidzania concept to the public or a candidate of marketing partnership, did you ever relate to the concept to Professor Kotler's marketing theories?
No, that was 20 years ago, and I haven't seen Professor until now. Kidzania was launched 12 years ago in Mexico, so there was kind of an overlap.
But some of the ideas in the class, you said, got you inspired to make it a better world or something.
Yep. I think what I studied with you, it was about kind of the new ways of marketing, and there were like new words that you were saying in those days. One was experiential marketing, not only having kind of products and consumers, but also having an experience, of course, with the brands and the consumers. And also there was beginning the things of social marketing, which is also making kind of a difference and not only kind of a pure marketing. And I think those two concepts are really embedded in Kidzania.
You know, it's very interesting that a teacher feels that he's teaching the students, but once in a while he meets a student who teaches the teacher. And that was our relationship.
That usually happens in my school.
That doesn't happen.
And Pak Hermawan, you said that Kidzania is a great place to develop children's character. As you have mentioned about the 6 pillars of character, How do you relate this with marketing 3.0 concept?
Yes, marketing 3.0, just like I explained before, that it is not only pushing the product. Pushing the product is only 1.0. It's a theme park, has so many counters and gaming and whatever, and try to push the gaming and whatever to lure the customer, the kids to come. That is 1.0. Number 2 is only make the customers happy, the kids happy. That is 2.0. But this place is very 3.0 because there is a character building. You know that there is a prison here, and every 1 hour or 2 hours, the kids must catch the bad person, must run. If there is a runaway bad person coming out from the prison, so the kids must chase. It's that right, Ibu?
Police department.
Yeah,
Criminal.
police department also. And if you become a pilot, you must have a certain character, right? Pilot must be disciplined. That's why this is a place of 3.0, character building.
Yes, and we'd also like to ask, and marketing is an idea that is not too familiar with children when they hear it. Children hear marketing and they don't really understand what is it trying to imply. Is there some way that you can explain to children what marketing is?
We can say this, that there are companies and they make things and they're making them to sell to people. And if they only made them, maybe the goods would just stay in the store because nobody has been known about the goods or made interested in the goods. And so marketing originally started to be a more scientific way of informing people of what is available. And sometimes it gets too enthusiastic and it makes you want it even if you didn't start wanting it. But in the best marketing, we think it really creates awareness of the things that are available that we might enjoy, and it makes them easy to get and makes them affordable. And that's the real purpose of marketing now.
Thank you very much. I think we'd like to open the floor for any questions from the audience.
And because of the limitation of time, so there's only could be 2 questions. One from media, please raise your hand. And 1 question is from our marketing partners representative. And there already one over there. Please mention your name, sir, and the company you came from.
My name is Iski. I'm from Mix Magazine. We are a marketing communication magazine in Indonesia. I would like to ask a question to Mr. Philip Kotler. You have reached so many things in your life until you're 80 years right now. Do you still have anything you want to reach in your life? I mean, obsession you haven't achieved so far. Thank you.
I've been interested in 2 issues for many years. One of them is how to help lift poor people out of poverty. It, to me, has always been a terrible thing that young people grow up without a chance in life. So I recently finished the book Up and Out of Poverty as a way, as a marketing approach to help people realize their potential. The other issue that I've been interested in is peace in the world. And I met a family where the person in the family said to me, Dr. Kotler, you've marketed many good ideas like say no to drugs, don't smoke, lead a healthy lifestyle with exercise. But there's an issue that I would like you to try to market. And I said, what's that? What have I not marketed? He says, can you figure out a way to market peace? And I thought that's what I still haven't solved, and no one's going to solve it. It's too complex. But I think I will work more on the idea of how to build a more peaceful world.
Okay, one more question. Oh, the first one, right in front of here. This is gentleman would like to answer questions. Please your name, sir, and your company.
Hi, good evening.